Orleans, my best lady, beautiful redhead wife in sunny California. Absolutely bloody marvelous. I like big butts and now. This week, I've mostly been in Brea. Marvelous. Goodbye. Currently picking up our family of cats. Pet care. This is bloody marvelous. It is the cowboy.
This is the supposedly the brother of the one, but it turned out to be a girl. Thomas had it down as a boy.
Okay.
So that's a girl. That's Shadow. So he's an add-on.
He's a pretty girl or a pretty boy.
You can understand where the cat lady thing came from, can't you? Because you're just like, I'm just gonna have all of them. Look at it, little kitty! That's the